Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our safety demonstration. As the safety features on this aircraft may differ from other types of aircraft, we ask that you all review the safety information card located in the seat pocket in front of you. Once again, welcome aboard Malaysian Airlines, and we hope you enjoy our Malaysian hospitality. Please remember to put your seats upright, stow your tray table, and keep your window shades up before takeoff and landing. As we come through the cabin for our final safety checks, join us as we count down the takeoff. Jump! Put yourself away! No,